Lie on the floor in a crunch position with your knees together and your ankles together with your heels fairly close to your glutes. You're going to then lower your knees down to the floor on one side, keeping them together. You're going to feel some tightness in your low back. That's what we're working on, is really stretching your low back. The goal here is to let your knees completely fall to the floor while keeping the opposite shoulder still touching the floor. Now, you're going to definitely feel that one side is better than the other, and that's perfectly normal. But when you are on the side that's a little bit tight, don't force it. Just try to let gravity let them fall. And after a couple reps, you'll also notice that you're getting better and better. Now, one thing that you can do to make it a little bit easier is you can use your hand to kind of slowly push your knees closer to the floor, but really keep in mind that opposite shoulder. You don't want to get your knees to the floor with your opposite shoulder completely off the floor as well. So the goal again is, let's say we're going knees to the right. We want our left shoulder touching the ground as our right knee is touching the floor as well. Then we'll rotate the other side and do the same. So really make sure that you work into it, don't force it, and just breathe. Really take a big deep breath when you're feeling a lot of pull, and then exhale slowly, and you'll even feel your legs lower to the ground a little bit more.